Have you ever wondered why orchids, one of the most beautiful and diverse families of plants, are so hard to grow? Orchids, they're a marvel of the plant kingdom. With their vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and delicate forms, they've mesmerized us for centuries. But what is it about these exotic beauties that make them so enigmatic? Well, for starters, orchids are a remarkably diverse family. With over 25,000 known species spread across every continent except Antarctica, they represent one of the largest families of flowering plants on Earth. That's more than twice the number of bird species, and 4 times the number of mammal species. Isn't that something? But here's the catch. Despite their global distribution and incredible diversity, orchids are notoriously difficult to cultivate. Many a green thumb has been left perplexed by the challenge they pose. Their unique growth requirements and delicate nature often leave us wondering, what's the secret? So, what makes these captivating plants so elusive to cultivate? Let's delve deeper. The secret to the orchid's elusive nature lies beneath the surface, in a fascinating symbiotic relationship. It's a relationship that's both intimate and vital, a partnership with a type of fungi known as mycorrhizae. Orchids, you see, are not your typical plants. They're divas of the plant world, demanding very specific conditions to thrive, and one of their most crucial needs is their partnership with mycorrhizae. So, what exactly is this mycorrhizae? It's a group of fungi that forms a network of tiny threads, almost like a secondary root system, extending the reach of the orchid's own roots. These fungi and the orchid are in a mutualistic relationship, meaning they both benefit from each other. The fungi help the orchid absorb nutrients and water from the soil, while the orchid provides the fungi with sugars and other nutrients it produces through photosynthesis. Now, you might wonder, doesn't this happen with other plants as well? Well, yes, but with orchids, it's a bit more complex. Orchid seeds are among the smallest in the plant kingdom, and they lack the energy reserves that most other seeds have. This means that for an orchid seed to germinate, it has to partner up with the right kind of mycorrhizal fungi. Without this partnership, the orchid seed simply won't sprout. This relationship also explains why orchids can be so tricky to grow in a typical home environment. Even if you manage to provide the right temperature, light, and moisture conditions, without the right mycorrhizal fungi, the orchid won't thrive. It's like trying to grow a plant without soil. This fascinating symbiosis is not just a botanical curiosity, it's a fundamental part of the orchid's life cycle. It's a testament to the intricate interconnections in nature and to the remarkable resilience and adaptability of orchids. This intriguing relationship is the secret behind the orchid's allure, but there's more to these captivating plants. Orchids have developed some of the most fascinating and unique pollination mechanisms in the plant kingdom. The intrigue begins with mimicry. Some orchid species have evolved to resemble female insects, fooling the males into attempting to mate with them, thereby facilitating pollination. Nature's ingenuity doesn't stop there. Trap flowers are another marvel in the orchid family. Orchids like the bucket orchid create a slippery surface that causes unsuspecting insects to slide into a floral pit. As they scramble to escape, they inadvertently pick up the orchid's pollen, only to deposit it on the next orchid they visit. These mechanisms, while seemingly deceptive, are integral to the orchid's survival and contribute significantly to the diversity of this plant family. Orchids, through their evolutionary adaptations, have not only survived, but thrived, captivating us with their beauty and complexity. These ingenious adaptations not only ensure the survival of orchids, but also add to their mystery. Beyond their biological fascination, orchids hold significant cultural and economic importance. Across the globe, these captivating flowers are deeply woven into the fabric of many cultures. In ancient Greece, they were associated with virility and fertility, while in Victorian England, they became a symbol of luxury and refinement. On the economic front, the horticulture industry thrives on the allure of orchids. With thousands of species and hybrids, they represent a significant portion of the global flower market, loved by gardeners and flower enthusiasts for their exotic beauty and diversity. Their impact extends beyond aesthetics. Orchids are key players in the perfume industry, their intoxicating scents forming the heart of many iconic fragrances. Furthermore, they have found their place in traditional medicine, used in treatments for a range of ailments from coughs to skin diseases. So, the next time you see an orchid, remember, there's more to these enchanting plants than meets the eye.